Hello friends, welcome to the part 2 of Eurovigin PT Cube camera. This is a software demonstration of the camera as well as the camera movement. So I want to show what is about the camera, how does the software work with that. So as you can see on the screen, on the left side there is a camera, that is a PT Cube camera, and this is myself sitting in my office showing you the demonstration. So as you can see, the camera is lying on my table and it's moving everywhere where the motion is being detected. So wherever I move my hand, it just moves over there and just watches my hand. So this camera has a special facility that it can detect the motion also, it can detect the human faces also. So I haven't clicked on the human faces options. I'll show you in the software. So let me show you the software, which software is being used for this particular camera. So this is my mobile which is lying on my table, you can see on the screen also. So this is the software, this is MIPC software. I'll just open the software. So as you can see on the screen, the software is being opened, and since I have already logged in, so I'll log out and I'll show you the camera software. I'm just exiting it. So this is the main screen. I need to make an account over there so that I can add all my devices which I have installed, and I need to watch in my software. So you can add as many as devices at the same time using the same user ID and password. You can have different user and ID and the password for different logins and devices as well. So I have logged in. So for this, the camera has to be connected to the internet also, and as you can see that the camera is live and I can see the thumbnail of that. I just click on that, and as you can see that the camera is being watched live on my mobile. The first option over there is a speaker option. So if I want to listen anything with the sounds, voices which are being heard by the camera microphone, I can hear it on my mobile app also using clicking on this. Now the second option is about the brightness, contrast of the camera and all. You can change the settings of the camera. You can increase the brightness, contrast, saturation, and sharpness, and different modes are there. If you want to click on the day mode or night mode, so in night mode it becomes in black and white. In the auto mode it becomes normal. So these are different options which can be seen on the camera. If you want to select on the bandwidth, you can select SD 1080p on the standard or the smooth. If you have a smaller bandwidth and low bandwidth internet connection, then you can click on the smooth one, or you can go to the standard one, or you can go to the auto one also. So whichever the option you require as per your comfort level, you can click on that. If you go with 1080, then you can see the highest resolution, but the movement would be a little bit lesser. You need good bandwidth around 10 Mbps or higher. Now the next option over there is for recording on your mobile live. So whenever I click on my this option, it starts the recording. It records the footages and on with the audio and everything on my mobile itself. So now it's showing that the video has been saved in my album over there. Now to click on the photograph or snapshot, I click on this option. So this option is meant for clicking the photograph. So the photograph has some memory, it's not there, SD card is not there, so it's not recording the photograph there. Now one more option is there next to that is the microphone option. If I click on this option, I can speak through my mobile and the voice can be heard from the speakers of the camera. So if I click on this, hello, so I can listen through the camera. last option is an interesting one. This option is meant for the alarm one. So if any movement is being occurred in your room, so you can click it on and you get alert message on your mobile as well. So I click on the alarm option there. You can listen the alarm option. Any movement is being detected by the camera, it makes a alarm sound there. I click it off then. Now you go to the settings option there. What are options in the settings? So the setting option has about option, date option, upgrade to the firmware option, about tells you about the camera, which is the version of that, what is the name of the camera, what is the model number of the camera, what is the device ID, firmware version, everything you can check it in your about option. And in the date option you can select the date of the camera. If you want to select the time of India or somewhere else where it is to be installed out of India, also you can set the time as per that. You can upgrade the firmware using the firmware option, upgrade option. You can restart the camera in case you want to restart it due to some reason, or you can reset with the factory default settings also to reset everything. If you click on the device password, you can change the password. The existing password of the camera, you can put the old password, the new password, so that. And visitor setting also you can give, suppose any password is there, so you can auto generate a QR code and share it to some other staff so that they can just watch the recording, playback the recording. They cannot delete or do any mischief in that. About the notifications, you have different notifications over there, and like any type of alarm, if you see a motion, then it will create a notification on your mobile. If I put it on, I save it, and as soon as my camera detects any motion, it can create a notification. And we can assign the time also for the particular event to happen. It can happen every day also. You can select the number of days in which the event is going to happen. You can select the time also from where the event has to start and when it has to end. So I'll make it every day, I'll make it save. Now my motion detection is already enabled. If I enable the face detection also, it will detect the face and see, I got the message as soon as some motion is being detected on my camera. So this is a very good feature. So as soon as you can see, the camera is also moving and it is detecting the movement over there. So it will send me a notification message. And if any, after the option is enabled, an alarm or notification will be pushed whenever the abnormal movement of the video has been detected. So I can put an abnormal movement event also along with that. So as you can see the movement over there, I get a message over there. As you can see the message, motion has been detected. Now sound detection or human detection, it has a similar type of things, and if any human enters in the room and if I get any alert message, it will give the notification on my mobile app. So as you can see that it is detecting my face. So it's a human face detection and the camera will give me the intimation on the mobile app itself. So this is a very good option in that. Others are record option. So in record you can have normal record or what kind of record it has to be done, like on motion only it has to be record, or continuous it has to record. So in case it says there is no memory card in that, so it will show you no memory card and everything. So different modes are there for recording purpose. It can record whenever the motion is detected, it can record when the face is detected, or it can record whenever any sound is detected, or whenever any human enters the area of the camera, it will start recording. So after that, the peripherals, The peripherals are like the face detection. If you click on the human face detection, we'll try this option. I'll save it. Settings have been saved. I go to back option. I see the camera option. So as soon as it detects the face, let me see what happens. So it is detecting the face, so it will detect the motion as well as the facial actions of the human. So whichever the person is coming in front of the camera, it will detect the faces of the camera, and as per that it will make the recording as per that. So whatever the settings you have given the events as per the schedule, it will work in that way. So it will keep on giving the message that the face has been detected, motion has been detected, or the sound has been detected. So it depends on different type of motions also. So these are the features of that, and it can have the features of connecting to the DVR. If you have a cloud storage, you can click on the cloud storage option also there, and if you have SD card, you can format the SD card and all that. Those options are being given in the storage heading. So the next option is network. So this camera can support a LAN with the Wi-Fi. So with the LAN and the Wi-Fi options, you can connect with the Wi-Fi connection, or if you have existing, or you want to use it as a access point without any internet connection directly with your mobile app. So it can be configured in AP mode, and if you are using internet with the router, then you can select the terminal mode, which I have done. You can see the IP address also over there. So the IP address, you can open the IP address in your browser, and you can do the same settings in the browser also. So I think no other camera of this kind can give you browser interface. If the camera is being hanged on the rooftop, so the picture image gets inverted. So there is an option that you can flip the image also. So as you flip the image, so the image screen just flips down, so you don't have to worry about the inverted image. I clicked on the flip option, and now the image is upside down. If the camera is being mounted on the top, you can select this option to flip the image. So I'll just reset it again so that I can see the proper image since my camera is placed on my table. Now the OSD is on-screen display option. The whatever the text you type over there, it can be displayed on the screen like any. This is my camera. This is my room number 1. So in case of any footage, all these things will be displayed on the footage as well. And what kind of date format you require, you need the 24-hour date and the days also on the display. Then it can give multiple things on the screen. You can click on this and click on the save option. Now the frequency, the sound options are there with the more heading there. The sound option is regarding the sound and the speaker. You can switch out the speaker to highest or the lowest level. You can switch on the tone, or you can off the tone also. So in case you don't require any sound feature in that, you can switch it off also. Then you can go to frequency option. Frequency option has, in case any LED lights are there, or the frequency of the light is 60 Hertz like in US. So you can switch to 60 Hertz also, but moreover in India the frequency is 50 Hertz, so you don't have to disturb anything. Then you go to the motion option. Motion option has smart tracking over there, so the camera movement was happening because of this option only. So if I switch off this option, the camera will not move and it will be on the stationary position where you have already placed it. So you can use the same option. The indicator light is also there. In case the indicator light you want to switch it on or off, that can be performed using this option. In case you want a privacy and don't require the light on, then you can switch the light off also. The sound option I already told you that the sound, if it sounds about the connection and everything, you can switch off the sound also. About the video streaming, it is a H.264 video streaming option there, and you click on that. So the compression rate is H.264 presently in this type of camera. So these are the basic features of the camera, and in case you require this camera, you can call me up. It has very nice features, and as you can see, I have shown you the basic demonstration of the camera. If you have any feedback, please give me in the comment section so that I can rectify and help you out regarding this camera settings and all. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice time. Goodbye.